In this video, I'm going to show you how to undo actions in Jotform. First, log into your Jotform account. Once you're logged in, you will see all of your forms displayed on your home screen. Choose the form in which you want to undo or redo an action by clicking on Edit Form. For example, let's say we delete the phone number field from this form. Now, if you want to undo this deletion, you might immediately notice an Undo pop-up appears on the screen. However, if this pop-up disappears or you don't see it for any reason, there's another way to undo your action. You can simply press Ctrl and Z together on your keyboard, and the last action will be undone. In the same way, if you want to redo something you've undone, just press Ctrl and Y, and the action will be redone. Now, if you're wondering whether Jotform provides an on-screen undo button aside from the keyboard shortcut, the answer is no. Unfortunately, Jotform does not offer a visible undo button within the editor interface. To confirm this, we can refer to an article from Jotform's official support, where it clearly states that undoing actions is only possible using the Ctrl+Z keyboard shortcut. However, if you've already exited the form builder and want to undo changes from your last session, Jotform allows you to revert your form using its revision history. Let me show you how to do that. First, go back to your main dashboard, hover your mouse over the form in question, and click on Edit Form. Once you are inside the form builder, look below the form title where it says Last Edited. Click on this text, and it will open the revision history panel on the right side of your screen. In this panel, you will be able to view a list of all the changes that have been made to your form, along with their timestamps. For example, if I select a previous version from the list, you will see that the phone number field I had deleted earlier is present again. If you want to revert your form to this version, simply click on the Revert button, and Jotform will restore the form to that exact state. And that is how you can undo changes in Jotform.